In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see who subscribed to you on YouTube. Let's dive in and walk through this process together, step by step. First, you'll want to head over to your YouTube channel. So, open up your browser and navigate to YouTube. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You should see your account icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring up a drop-down menu with several options related to your account. In this drop-down menu, you'll find an option that says View Your Channel. Click on it, and this will take you directly to your personal YouTube channel page. On this page, you'll see various sections, such as your uploads, playlists, and more. Next, look for the Customize Channel button and give it a click. This will take you to the YouTube Studio, where you can manage your channel settings and analyze your content's performance. Once inside, you'll need to access your channel dashboard. On the left-hand side, there's a panel with various icons for different settings and features. Locate the dashboard icon, which usually looks like a small graph or analytics symbol, and click on it. This action will take you to your main channel dashboard, where you can see a summary of your channel's activity. Now, scroll down through your dashboard until you see the section titled Recent Subscribers. This section provides an overview of the people who have recently subscribed to your channel. To get more details, find and click the See All link at the end of this section. You'll be taken to a page displaying more comprehensive information about your recent subscribers. Here, you'll notice a duration filter at the top. Click on this filter to view the different time frames available for your subscriber data. Choose your preferred time frame by selecting an option from the drop-down menu. This allows you to tailor the subscriber information to a specific duration that suits your needs, whether it's the last 7 days, 28 days, or a longer period. If you want to have a more extensive view of your subscribers, look for the option that lets you change the number of rows displayed per page. Typically, this option is towards the bottom of your screen. Click on it to adjust how many subscriber entries you see at once, making it easier to manage and review your subscriber list. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to see a detailed view of who is subscribing to your channel on YouTube. Whether you're tracking your channel's growth or simply curious about your audience, this feature is a great way to stay informed. Thanks for watching, and happy channel managing!